Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little hair review slash tutorial. I wanted to talk to you about the T3 Defined Curls little clip barrel attachment. I've had the wand little trio set, the Whirl Trio, for years now, and I absolutely loved it. But I will admit, I find curling my hair, I can do it faster if I have just a regular curling iron where it's it clips and you can just spin it and go. I absolutely love T3, and using the wands that I have from them, my curl will hold for days, days. I'll do it, and 2 days later, not doing anything to it, I'll still have a really pretty, nice little wave. So I was thinking I'll try the clip barrel attachment where it's basically like your curling iron then. This is the 1 inch, and I thought, this would be a great substitution, and I love that they're just interchangeable. That's a really good thing in my opinion. To be quite honest, I haven't been such a fan of this one particularly. So to start, before I start curling my hair, I'll give you the down low. So this end here, obviously it's where you grip and hold on to. It's very short. So I still use my little black glove like I do when I use my wand. I use it to hold on to just in case my hand slips and catches that. Also, I've been finding as I curl my hair, it will get stuck in that seam between the white rod and then right here at the rose gold little barrel attachment, that seam. I can see my hair threads still in there because it just catches and they pull out. It tangles very easily. As far as whether or not the curl holds, again, it falls out right away. So I thought I would curl one side with my clip barrel. This is the 1 inch, just like my wand, and then I thought I would heat this up and I would do the other side just so you can see the difference in between the curls, because again, it's the same barrel, it's just either a wand or you have the curling iron attachment to it. So before I get curling, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you won't regret seeing what I bring you. I do a lot of fashion, beauty, fitness, a lot of hauls and unboxings. So if you're interested in that type of thing, definitely subscribe to my channel, and let's stop talking and get to curling. Okay, I got my handy dandy glove on, so I'm gonna do the left side of my hair with the clip barrel attachment. So I have my mirror right here so I can look at it and not end up burning or frying my hair off. But like I said before, I always part my hair in halves, so I just bring it over my shoulder and I start from the back and I just work my way around to the front towards my face. And then I'm putting the clip towards the front of the hair so then I can curl it back away from my face. Okay, and as you can see, I'm on my second one and I'm already stuck in that darn seam of my hair. So I probably just lost a few strands. Yep, I sure did. I don't know if you can see it there on my camera, but she just flying in the wind right now. As you can see, it gives you a nice little barrel curl. The only thing is that I lost probably at least 10 strands of hair in the process, because my ends, I know I have long hair, and wrapping it around it, it probably is easy to get caught in that seam of where the barrel and the rose gold little clip thing meets. But like I said, it should be completely seamless. So that's a manufacturing error. They need to revamp that, in my opinion, for it to really be a good sell. But we'll curl my hair now on this side using the wand attachment just to see the difference in the shape of the curl. And I'm going to wrap my hair around it so the curl goes towards the back of my head. So I'm using the wand in my left hand, have my section held in my right hand, and basically you just place it behind the back of the hair. I'm sure this is quite hard for you to see right now and a little confusing. I promise once you have it in your hands, it makes more sense. Taking the curling wand to the back side of my hair, and I'm just wrapping it around the barrel. I like to get the ends nice and curled as well, so that's why I really use this black glove, so I can hold on to my hair and it'll wrap all the way around it. And then you just shake the curl loose, catch it in your hand, let it set for a hot second, and then see how nice that holds? Like the curl didn't drop right away because you held it in your hand. Okay, and now you can see that both sides are complete. I haven't done anything to it yet. And to be quite honest, looking at the curl, I will say they actually do give you a different curl style. This is more of a sleek little barrel curl. And then this it's like the same size curl, but this is more of like a this is more of a wavy like curl to it. Maybe once I brush it out, you won't necessarily see the difference, but definitely looking at it right now, I sure can. I'm sure you can, just a slight bit. Now I do my wet brush. I've said this a million times if you watch me on my Insta stories and stuff like that, because I do more of these there. It just is easier for me. But pretty much I'm just going to gently brush through my hair. That way it softens out your curl. I do think that both sides look pretty much identical. This might be like a little bit tighter of a curl right now, but I know for a fact because I've tried using that clip barrel for at least 3 times now, and besides it torturing me and pulling out my hair, I promise you that the curl will drop within like the first hour as soon as I step outside. My hair is so fine and thin that it's really hard to get the curl to hold. So even though that might look a little bit tighter on this side, it's still the exact curly, nice little wave on both sides after I brushed it out. Now, just because my hair looks a little dead and droopy, I'm going to just take a little top layer over here. It's probably because it's about time for me to go get my hair colored actually. So it's just falling a little flat. I'm using my wet brush again. I'm just teasing or back combing the underneath little section just to give it a little extra lift because sometimes a girl needs a little boost and dry shampoo doesn't always do the trick. So after you do that, as you can see, it definitely boosted it up there. Now I'm just gonna kind of gently brush over the top of it to take some of that out. And voila, there you go. My hair is now curled using my T3 products, we'll say. So again, I prefer the wand attachments. I think those are amazing. They have a Whirl Trio. I'll link it below. I've had that for years and I haven't had to replace it. This is the 1-inch Defined Curls little clip barrel. In my opinion, I don't like it. It gave my hair a nice curl right now. It doesn't hold. It gets stuck in the little seam. It rips my hair out. So I'm going to be sending this back, but I wanted to demonstrate it for you. That way you know. If you enjoyed this little hair tutorial with me and review of my T3 products, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and show me that support because I'm doing this all for you all. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Again, I will attach my 2 products that I had here for you now, just so if you want to shop them, I definitely, again, I can constantly rave about the Whirl Trio and all the wands. Not so much on the others, but you know, that's your choosing. You might have better luck than I did. Other than that, I wish you all the best in your hair journey. Until next time, bye.